Well, hello radio fans. I've got this box on my workbench addressed to me, DHL, and inside it is something that I've been waiting to get for quite a while. I finally found one at a really decent price because I don't spend a lot of money. I'm cheap that way. But inside of it here is a little Philetta radio, and I don't want to spoil it, so let's open it up. Let's see, where can I open it up? That looks like the top over there. So I've got my old butterfly knife here. Just lock it up so it doesn't cause me any damage. Sorry about the poor camera work, but I'm holding my phone and doing this at once, so here we go. Chop you open there, and chop you open over there. Come on, come on. There's a good boy. Come on, don't shuffle around too much. Just keep chopping. There we go. And now the top seam. I know you guys, everybody loves an unboxing video, so there we are. Unboxing. Let's see what we got. Ha! Paper. Alright. So it looks like it's been nicely packed. Lots of paper. Chuck that on the floor. And then we get to the meat and potatoes of the matter. And it looks like I can actually just get my fingers in underneath there and lift. Sorry, while I do this. There we go, throw the box away. And more wrapping. Bubble wrap. Ooh. So let's see. Start yanking on this. Oh, I think I can get that knife in under there. Just like that. Once. Under there. Twice. Under there. Boy, are you wrapped. Well, the sender sure did do a good job of this. I'm going to pause this camera and then I'll be back. Okay, I've gotten all that tape pulled off, or the most of it. And this is really good quality, thick, strong tape made by Germans in Germany, by real Germans. German tape. Did I say it was made in Germany by real Germans? Well, good tape. Holding that stuff together was rather an issue. So I'm finally starting to see there's a cable coming through. And now I just want to lift this up real carefully. And I guess, oh, there's an antenna. Hey, look at that. Never seen that before on these little Philettas. There's your power cord. Alright, more pulling away.